Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and sharing with you a really cool product. This product I'm like in awe with because I know it's going to... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a really cool product with you guys because I know a lot of ladies need this product because like me, I know a lot of girls, because I have a lot of girlfriends, we feel self-conscious when we wear plunging necklines like this dress that you see here that I'm wearing, or any type of garment that is strapless or backless, and we cannot wear a bra. So if you are like me, you want to keep on watching this video because this product is really amazing. All right, so I have come across Newboo. It's a breast tape. So this is not just like any other breast tape out in the market, okay? This is high quality boob tape because it's going to lift you, it's going to make you feel confident. It is waterproof, that you can even wear this boob tape with your swimwear and go out swimming, go out to the beach, and it's waterproof. So it's going to stay, ladies, it's going to stay. I'm telling you, this product is not like others in the market, okay? This is way better, okay? So if you are like me, that sometimes we don't just feel confident about, you know, going out and wearing plunging necklines or strapless tops or dresses because we just don't feel confident, well, this is the solution. Newboo is the solution. So I want to go over with you guys how I properly place the tape, how I tape my breast to give me a lift, to make me feel confident. Like, let me tell you something, guys. I've had this dress for years now and it still has the tags. I've never worn it out because I just don't feel confident. I don't like how my breasts look. I feel like they could be perkier, more lifted, closer. But I came across Newboo and it totally is a game changer because now I can actually wear it out, okay? And it makes me feel really confident. And the best part, that it didn't come off. It just stayed on the whole night, guys. So boob tape works, but you guys have to get the Newboo tape. So I'm going to show you today how to tape your boobs for plunging necklines and how to tape your boobs as well for strapless tops or dresses or any type of garment that you cannot wear a bra with. I'm going to show you in just a little bit how to use this tape. I do want to mention that this tape does come in 3 colors: vanilla, caramel, and black, and it only retails for $17.95. You can get a discount of 10% when you use my code ISA10. So let's get this started. I'm going to show you first how to tape your breast with Newboo for a plunging neckline like this dress here. Okay guys, so the first step is to clean or wipe your breasts. Make sure that they're clean, you have no sweat, no lotion, nothing. Make sure that your breasts and your skin are clean and dry before you apply the strip of Newboo tape, okay? So you're going to need your Newboo tape and you're going to need some scissors. So the first thing to do here is clean your skin to make sure that it's nice and clean and dry. And then we're going to take the tape, okay, and we're going to measure. So what I like to do, let me set this down. So what I like to do is I like to measure with the guide facing outward, okay? Because if I go this way, I can't see my guide, right? So for this dress, I want to make sure that I tape part of my breast, so it's gonna go up this way because I want mine to be closer together, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I like to place the guide so I can see the actual lines, okay? So I'm going to measure. I want to measure from the bottom of my breast up to my shoulder, okay? And I'm not going to go too far out, okay, or overlap it to my shoulder. Why? Because this boob tape, the technology that it has, it actually stretches, okay? So we want to make sure that we're going to get that support. So don't overcut it. So what I will do is I'm going to measure, I'm going to say around here, because my breast is right here underneath, all right? But I know that I can stretch this out a little bit more to give me a bigger lift, right? So you have your mirror in front of you and then measure and see, okay, I have to cut this much. So I'm gonna cut this much. I see that the line is right here, so I'm going to cut that out. So we're gonna cut, this much, all right? So I'm cutting on the line, okay? So I'm cutting it. Perfect, right? Now I'm gonna take that exact same length and I'm gonna cut it so it matches, okay? So I'm gonna cut it so it matches. Now we have two matching boob tapes to be able to bring them in more together and have a tape go here, but I can't because you're gonna be able to see it, right? But that's another trick if you guys don't have such a low plunging neckline like I do. But I'm going to, instead, I'm going to add another piece of boob tape, but I'm going to bring it in from like where my armpits here starts and down here. So it's going to cut my breast. So now, because I can feel where my breast is at, I'm going to cut just a little bit, okay, a little piece. So I'm going to say that it's going to be this much, okay, remember, because it does extend, it is elastic, so I can stretch it out to give me that better support. So I'm going to cut another piece. And keep in mind, guys, Newboo tape is great for any breast size, okay? Mine is a 32 double D, all right? So it is meant for any size. So if you feel like, oh, you know, my breasts are not gonna hold because they are too large, no girl, you have to give this a try. So I'm gonna cut the other one. Okay, now I have 4 sets of boob tape. So now I have 2 sets, a small one and a larger one. So now I'm going to place them and I'm going to show you how I do this. So first, I'm going to take the large piece and I'm going to place it like so, okay? And the smaller one, I'm going to place it here to give me that extra lift, okay? So let's do this. So before you place it, do not remove the entire backing of the boob tape, all right? So you gradually want to be lifting this when you start placing it on your skin, okay? So what I like to do is I like to go in here and then peel it and then place it, okay? So I'm gonna turn to the side so we can do this. So you want to make sure that you are placing the band, the tape really well, and you're sticking it onto your skin. And just like so, you want to be removing it and taping it and lifting your breast, okay? So I'm going, and you see how much slack it has? That I don't even have to, you know, do a big chunk because it extends so much. And this is a great thing about Newboo. It does give you a lot of support with a little bit of product, okay? So this is just one strip, just one. Now I'm gonna go in and strap this part, okay? All right, guys, so I went in and I added this part here. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and remove, and you can see here I added that extra part of boob tape, so you cannot see that I'm wearing it, right? And it gives me an instant lift. So before boob tape, after boob tape. So Newboo does work, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side so you guys can see the full effect. Guys, so this is the after taping my breast with Newboo. Again, I went here and then I also went here on both sides, and they look amazing, right? So now I'm going to show you how to tape your breast for any garment that is strapless or a tube top or a back dress, okay? So I'm going to show you how to tape your boobs now. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how you can tape your breast using the Newboo tape for any strapless garment. So whether it's a tube top or it's a shirt or a backless dress, you can use this, okay? This method. So again, you want to make sure that your skin is clean, that is dry, and you want to measure your breast to see how much tape you're going to need. So remember that it does have a stretch to it, so don't overdo it, don't over use the product, okay? A little bit goes a long way. So for this dress, because I want them to be a little bit higher like this, I'm going to be adding tape along here. So again, I take my tape and I measure from here, so like kind of underneath where my armpit is, okay, and then all the way to the end right here, because I want them to go up, and I'm going to place it like so, okay? And I'm gonna do 2 of them, so one here and then one right here also, so it will cover my this part of my breast, okay, and lift them up and gives them a lift. So I'm gonna cut 2 pieces. Remember how I do it is I take the guide and I put it outward so I know where I need to cut, okay? So I'm gonna place 2 straps like this. So I will do that and then come back and I will show you how it looks once I've taped them. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna give you that lift. If you also want to get or add additional support, I do recommend taking a little bit of tape and going here to give you a little bit more lift if that is also what you're looking for, okay? But for this dress in particular, I am going just across my breast to give me that extra lift. All right, so I'm going to show you, and I'm going to come back and show you. All right guys, so this is the after with Newboo tape, and again I went across here with the Newboo, and then I did a piece here. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna remove a little bit of my dress so you guys can see that I am using the Newboo tape. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So I went from here all the way across, and then I added another tape here, okay? So it's gonna give me that lift, it's gonna push them up and give me more cleavage, and it just looks great, and I feel like I have a lot of support. And there it is. It is super easy to use the Newboo tape, and I promise it's going to give you confidence when you're wearing these garments that you cannot wear a bra in. Okay, I know that I feel great when I'm wearing it, especially that red dress that I showed you guys. Honestly, like, I have never felt very comfortable wearing that dress, and I never wore it until I came across Newboo. So I promise you guys that you guys are going to love it. So, and I suggest that you guys give it a try. All right, so I'll link everything down below so you guys can take advantage of that special promo code to get 10% off, okay, your purchase. So I hope that you guys love